Hello and welcome to Examine Earth. This is an introduction to the playlist that accompanies my paleontology course. Geo 440 is taught as an upper level course for geology majors, but if you have an interest in reconstructing ancient life, then this playlist is for you. The internet's full of fantastic learning resources, but there's also some bad info and even outright lies. I've sorted through all of that to assemble this list of quality videos that complement the topics that we address in class. Most of the videos are made by other creators, but I have thrown in some of my original content to fill some gaps. But what is paleontology? Quite simply, it's the study of ancient, often extinct organisms and how they lived with each other and their environment. But why study old seashells or dusty old bones? If these organisms are long dead, who cares? We care for the same reason that we care about any history. Understanding how organisms lived, thrived, and eventually died in the past can tell us something about our present Earth. It can also show us where we may be heading. For example, if we want to learn more about organisms going extinct in the present, we can look at past extinctions for patterns or trends. How will organisms respond to our modern warming trend? Well, how did they respond to previous warming trends? The best way to predict the future is to study the past. If you're interested in the structure of this playlist, this is the textbook that we used. Most other textbooks will cover similar topics, and if you're just following along, you don't need a textbook at all. I'm just showing this as an example. This is the course schedule, which is the rough order of the videos in the playlist. The whole idea here is that we're covering a topic in class and you miss a day or you are really struggling, here's an additional resource. Sometimes it just helps to hear it from someone else or in a different way. Many of these videos are also more animated than my talking head PowerPoints. We begin with the fossilization process and some of the biases of the fossil record. Then we discuss some basics of biology and how we can use the fossil record to examine patterns in evolution and extinction. After that, we zoom out a bit from organisms to their interactions with the environment, and we explore how we might attempt to reconstruct long extinct ecosystems and how they change over geologic time. Next, we examine how the fossil record can help us with the rock record and how fossils can be used as age markers and environmental indicators. Finally, we wrap up with some organisms that we didn't cover in lab, and this is mostly an invertebrate paleontology course, but it's important to study the other phyla too, especially our origins. The entire point of this channel is to help people find science topics that interest them and provide a helping hand along the way. If you think this playlist might help you, it'll probably help other people too. If you like this video, share the playlist and subscribe to the channel. It'll help me help them. That's all for now. Thanks for stopping in to Examine Earth.